The producers have no financial disclosures. Well, I would like to share with you all here that I watched this movie over and over again. And I understand the frustration of this producer who has amazing surgical skills but lacks the technology to showcase the same. I'm sure everyone here will accept with me Steve Jobs' quote, "Innovation is the only way to win," by seeing this movie. The winner in this category is
Thank you. Please hold your applause. To be honest, I really don't know how I got here. My journey to this podium is unexpected and not easy. But the struggles of this journey are not just mine. They belong to so many young ophthalmologists with great ideas who are unable to capture them and share them with the rest of the world. But by the end of this talk, you too will learn how to nurture an idea into a quality presentation. If a picture is worth 1,000 words, a video is worth so much more. Surgical videos are an integral part of any surgeon's training. Videography is essential to teach skills efficiently to a broad audience. And surgical videos have the spotlight at conferences like this one and are viewed by thousands on YouTube and iTunes. Additionally, surgical videos serve an important role to review and improve one's own surgical skills, to know exactly where the techniques are inefficient and thus improve. However, unlike general surgery, ophthalmic surgery is harder as they must be recorded through the microscope. High-quality recordings of ophthalmic surgery is also cost prohibitive for many of our young ophthalmologists because the commercially available recording system adds tens of thousands of dollars to a surgical setup. To get around these cost barriers, surgeons have tried recording using video cameras or even mobile phones that are sort of haphazardly held up to the eyepiece of a microscope. But the results of this are, as expected, inconsistent and oftentimes low quality. During my second year of residency, I wanted to record my surgeries to update and fine-tune my techniques. I spent countless hours trying to record with video cameras and mobile phones, but the results were subpar. I lost confidence, lost time, and actually lost hope. Yes, I was on the verge of giving up when a phone call from a friend woke me up one morning and filled me with the fuel that I needed to fulfill my dream. He introduced me to a device he had worked with previously and wanted to know if it would help me solve my problems of cost-effectively recording high-quality video through the microscope. He gave me the device, which fit in my palm. It's called a Raspberry Pi. I had some questions, but most importantly, I realized that this would be a great solution to my problem. If you don't know, the Raspberry Pi is a fully functional Linux-based computer that can be fitted with an HD camera module. I started to sketch and build all sorts of adapters to mount the Raspberry Pi to fit on the side scope of a microscope. The first few models were far from perfect, but I persisted and went through various prototypes, adding a battery, a switch to control the recording, and eventually I tried to make it small enough to mount on the side scope and portable enough to carry in one's hand. After multiple tries, I was filled with pride and joy when my later prototypes output HD video with similar or even better quality than the more expensive and commercially available systems. The Raspy Cam, as I like to call it, not only gave me everything a high-end, expensive camera would, but it cost less than $100. The quality was so good that I wanted to build a perfect model to record more videos. From these very humble beginnings, I stand here now. If not for the Raspy Cam, I wouldn't have had the time I needed to edit my videos and win this Best Surgical Video award. Now that my Oscar dream has come true, I am sure that with this low-cost, high-definition recording system, the dreams of so many young budding surgeons will now be realized. They too will be able to capture their ideas through the magic of videography using the Raspy Cam. Thank you.